You're cooking for us today, Mama.
Natural soup. So natural soup consists of red peas, bean, I put like black peas, red peas, bean. I like to combine grains together. And go along with pumpkin, yellow yam, good banana. Mixture of natural food. No cock up, no meat, no bone, no fish. Just straight. So we're going to cook on the outside fire, the wood fire. So I'm going to get some wood. There's too much gas, please. Let's go. The kitchen to background, just focus fire, sir. That's the coal. So the coal is catching up, see? This is the soup. When I'm cooking the soup, you make the yellow yam small, Small yam. Put in the soup. So now you see the skin now? You don't throw away the skin, you put the skin to the poultry to make manure. The organic manure. That's why they don't use any Babylon fertilizer to fertilize the thing. Natural skin, okay? Here put the yam. And now it's break down into the manure. Pumpkin and Irish. Also that go into the soup too. Okay. So in that time, that going to boil up. I'll make a cup here. Yes, when I live in the bush, the most I create. See what it look like? Right. So we're making a cup here, right? That's the calabash. See how I get out this now? That's the seed. You see? See? So you get it now. So you like this one? See? How fast you can make yourself a cup?
Where are growing so good?
You see that, bro?
What's on your mother side?
So quick a cut. The Most High provide us everything that you can think of. So you get a cup. Anything you want. That's it. You're ready to eat. There's a picking from it, see? Yeah. Immediately if you pick it from the tree, you could just clean him out. Then you get him to use. You can drink your water. Can wash your face. Wow. Beautiful. The name Iconat, man. Iconat. See Iconat. My eye. Alright. See two eye. And in mouth, see? That's that cook over there. Yeah. Herbal healing shop. Welcome. See, that's the noni. See? No, I said, bam, you pick it.